Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everyone. My name is Nur Atira binti Abu Talib. So today we are going to present our group project, which is preference of online shopping based on gender. So I will talk about the introduction first. Research title is preference on online shopping based on gender. So the main purpose of our research is to explore, describe, and explain the relationship between gender and preference on online shopping. There are various reasons for some people to like or dislike online shopping. So we are conducting this research to see whether men or women prefer online shopping and why they prefer online shopping. So our problem statement is which gender prefers online shopping more than in-store shopping, men or women? And then why men or women prefer online shopping? And the last one is why men or women prefer in-store shopping. So here is hypothesis. We are expecting that more women prefer online shopping compared to men. This is due to the ability to shop 24 hours in a day, anytime and anywhere, with convenience of their house, less time consume and lower price offer. So our method is the data was collected from undergraduate students in IIUM Gombak. We conduct a survey via online through Google Form to collect data from undergraduate students. We managed to gather information from 30 respondents that consists of 15% of male and female respectively. We also asked them to state reason based on their choices and state the medium or website they prefer the most to shop online, like Lazada, Shopee, or Instagram. We use inferential statistic methods. We are using variance and standard deviation to determine the spread of data and consistency of the variable. And Chebyshev's theorem is used to determine the number of data values that fall within a specified interval in a distribution.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Alia and I'm going to continue with the preliminary analysis. Here we have the histogram for frequency of gender who prefers online shopping based on age. There are two genders which are male and female, and we have three categories for age which are 18 to 20 years old, 21 to 23 years old, and 24 to 26 years old. More women prefers online shopping more than men in the age category of 18 until 23 years old, while in the age category of 24 to 26 years old, men prefers online shopping more than women. Next, we have the central tendency comparison. For male, the mean, median, and mode are 22. The variance is 6. Standard deviation is 2.45, and it has symmetrical distribution. For female, the mean, median, and mode are 21. The variance is 3.82. The standard deviation is 1.95, and it is also symmetrical. Next, we have the histogram for frequency of yearly online shopping based on gender. The two categories for gender is male and female, and there are three categories for frequency, which is 1 to 5 times, 6 to 10 times, and 11 to 15 times. The amount of male and female who online shops 1 to 5 times and 11 to 15 times yearly are the same, while there are more female compared to male who online shops 6 to 10 times yearly. Central tendency comparison. For male, the mean is 7.5, median 7.64, mode 7.77, variance 8.06, standard deviation 2.84, and it is skewed to the left. For female, the mean is 7.58, median 7.72, mode 7.83, variance 6.63, standard deviation 2.57, and it is skewed to the left.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Shafika and I am going to proceed from the preliminary analysis that my group made share before. to the final analysis. So this is our final analysis that we can conclude from our research. So hereby we can say that gender does relate to the number of times spent shopping online. The reason for saying so is that from the research, we can clearly see that women were more preferable to shop online than men, and were seen to spend 2 times higher than the time spent by male to shop online, which is 9 times a year by female and 7 times a year by male, according to the histogram. However, due to short of time for the data collection, small sample size, and fixing the age of the respondent might impact the preciseness of the result.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zulfikri bin Ahmad Zulfi, metric number 1920691. Okay, for the conclusion, our initial hypothesis states that it is assumed that women prefer online shopping more than men. When it comes to online shopping, it is assumed that women who are eager to spend online, unlike men who like in-store shopping. Online shopping is a lot more easier compared to in-store shopping. They can easily access online store through their own devices such as personal computer or mobile devices and buy anything that they want. Not only that, the item that they buy will be delivered directly to them. It is assumed men like to shop in store because they are more likely want to experience the product itself. For example, when buying a cloth, they get to try the cloth before buying it. This helps them to make the final decision before buying the product. Based on our result that we get, it is true that women prefer online shopping more than men. The result shown that 55 out of 100% that choose online shopping more than in-store shopping are women and the rest are men. Based on the result that we get, the reason that they choose online shopping mostly because the price offered on online platform is a lot more cheaper than the price in store. Not only that, they choose to buy online because online shopping saves a lot of time as you do not need to go in a mall and spend a lot of time in traveling, and they also can shop anytime they want. Other than that, the results show that the age of people who prefer to shop online is 21 to 23 years old, followed by 18 to 20 years old and 24 to 26 years old. On the other hand, the results show that 62.5% out of 100% respondents that choose in-store shopping instead of online shopping are men, and the rest of them are women. The reason that they chose in-store shopping instead of online shopping mainly because they cannot feel and try the product. Other than that, they choose in-store shopping because they scared the item might be damaged during the shipping process. Some of them prefer to walk around the shop before buying something. As for the women, they're scared of being scammed by the seller because there are a lot of cases where people getting scammed when buying online. In conclusion, it proved the hypothesis that women prefer online shopping more than men. For the recommendation, we recommend a future study with a higher participate to get more results so that we can create a firm hypothesis. Online shopping does not depend on someone's gender. There are a lot more factors that need to be considered before deciding why someone like online shopping better than in-store shopping, such as it is easy to search for what you want, you can avoid a large crowd, you do not need queue, and many more. That's all from us. Thank you.